The relatively new Facebook Business Suite is a free all-in-one social media management tool. This tool allows you to simply create, manage and schedule content as well as manage messages across both Instagram and Facebook, all from one platform. Either access this platform from your computer or directly from the Facebook Business Suite app on your phone. Hey guys, Stuart here, welcome back to this channel, and if it's your first time here, thanks for joining me. Now today I'm excited to dive into this Facebook Business Suite app tutorial for beginners and share how you can simply set up and use the Facebook Business Suite to manage your Facebook business page and Instagram account, all from one easy to use mobile app. Okay, so just quickly, before we launch into the Facebook Business Suite app, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get you up and running with the Facebook Business Suite app. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you need to do is download the Facebook Business Suite onto your mobile device. And then once you've downloaded the mobile app onto your phone, go ahead and locate the Facebook Business Suite app. Simply click on it. And as you can see, I've arrived inside the Business Suite. I'm currently in the home section of the Business Suite app. Now up the top, you can see that I have Facebook and Instagram already connected to my Business Suite. Now, if you're completely new to Facebook and Instagram and you currently do not have a Facebook business page or an Instagram business account, then what I'll do is link two tutorials down below in the description that will guide you through the process of first creating a Facebook business page and also how to convert your Instagram profile into a business account. Now, with your Facebook business page and your Instagram business account, you also need to link the two together. The reason you can see my Syndio Media Facebook business page and my Syndio Media Instagram business account in my Facebook Business Suite is because I've connected these two accounts together. If you're not too sure how to connect Facebook and Instagram together, again, what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial down below in the description that will take you through the process of linking your Facebook business page and your Instagram business account together. Okay, so first what we're going to do is navigate through the home section in your Facebook Business Suite and understand all the different features that you can access within your home section. Then what we're going to do is navigate through the entire Business Suite app so you can understand how to make the most of this powerful integrated all-in-one social media management platform for Facebook and Instagram. Now if we come down to alerts and click here, and as you can see, we need to confirm the Instagram message access. And what this is going to allow us to do is access our Instagram messages from our Instagram account directly in our Business Suite. At the moment, we have our Facebook business page connected and we can access Facebook messages. Okay, so in order to access our Instagram messages inside our business account, we need to head over to our Instagram business account. Okay, so once you've arrived inside your Instagram business account, simply navigate up to the three lines in the top right hand corner and then navigate down to settings. Then come down and locate privacy and then navigate down to the bottom and select messages. And then scroll down to connected tools, and this is where we want to allow access to our messages. Turn this on and then head back to your Facebook Business Suite app. Okay, so back in our Business Suite, the first action we can take on our home page is we can create a post for both our Facebook business page and our Instagram business account. So for example, if we click on Create Post, okay, so first we have the option to either create and publish a post to Facebook and Instagram or just one of these platforms. So for example, if we just wanted to create a post and publish it on our Facebook news feed, then what we would do is come down to the Instagram feed and untick Instagram feed and then click done. And what that's going to do is just allow us to create a post for our Facebook business page. But what I want to do is create a post for both Instagram and Facebook. So I'm going to click Instagram and come down and click done. And as you can see up here, we have Facebook and Instagram. And if we go ahead and create a post and then publish that post, you'll be able to see that new post on our Facebook business page and on Instagram. So what I'm going to do is exit out of this and then navigate down the page. Next, we have our to-do list. Now you can see that we have notifications for messages and comments. If we click on messages, this is where we can respond to messages on both Facebook Messenger and through our Instagram account. And as you can see on the left hand side, you can see if a message comes from either Facebook Messenger or Instagram. And then if we navigate up to the top right hand corner, and next to the green tick over on the left, we have these two speech icons. If we click on here, we have basic settings for automated responses. So for example, under greet people, we can go ahead and select instant reply, and we can choose the platform that we want to enable instant reply. So I'm going to turn on Messenger and turn on Instagram. And then below message, you can customize your automated response. So what I'm going to do is click save. And then if we head back to messages and then click on the little green tick in the top right hand corner, and by clicking this, that's going to enable the away feature. So people who send messages will receive an away message and you won't receive message notifications. So you can see that we are currently away. If someone sends a message, they will get a notification, which we can go ahead and customize by clicking view settings. And we can simply come down here and customize our away message. But we're going to leave that for now and click save and then head back to our messages. So make sure that you take the time to set up your automated responses within the message feature. So what I'm going to do is turn away off and then navigate over to comments next to messages. And this is where you can simply view, respond, and manage all the comments on your Facebook business page posts as well as on your Instagram posts. So what we're going to do now is navigate back to home down in the bottom left hand corner, and then scroll down to recent posts. Now this is where you can view your recent posts on Facebook and also on Instagram. And if we scroll down the page, you can see all our recent posts. We can also see active stories, and we can go ahead and add stories to Instagram and Facebook. Then if we scroll down further, we can see recent ads and basic insights on how our Facebook business page and Instagram account are performing. Now, if we navigate up to the top left-hand corner and click here, this allows us to search for and select specific accounts that we want to manage. These are other Facebook business pages and Instagram accounts that your profile has access to. So what we're going to do is click on Syndio again, and then navigate over to the far right hand corner and click on notifications. These are activity notifications on both your Facebook business page and Instagram account. So what we're going to do is head back to our home, and then if we navigate down the screen, and next to home we have posts. And this is basically the interface where you can create and manage your posts and stories. Simply view your posts, stories, mentions and tags, photos and planner. Next, if you want to create any kind of post across your Facebook business page or Instagram account, simply come down to the middle and click this blue plus. Then simply choose if you want to create a post, add photos, create a story, create an ad, or create a live on Facebook. Then what I'll do is simply exit out of this and then come down to inbox next to more. And again, that's going to take you to the interface that we showed you in the beginning from the home section of our business suite, where you can access your messages and your comments across your two platforms. Then what we want to do is navigate down to the bottom right hand corner and click on more. Up the top, we can simply view our Facebook page and view our Instagram profile. And below this, we have simple actions like viewing our notifications, managing our ads, creating and managing our appointments, creating and managing events, listing jobs, listing products. We can view our insights, update settings, and more. So what I'm going to do is exit out of this and return to our home. And that is everything you need to know to get started with the Meta Business Suite app, formerly known as the Facebook Business Suite, on your mobile device. And there we have it, guys. That is it for our Facebook Business Suite app tutorial for beginners. Now, if you have any questions about the Facebook Business Suite, make sure to pop those down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.